All right, so you can visit the dashboard section here on the left-hand navigation. The dashboard is the page where the charts live. So first and foremost, let's create the dashboard by clicking this red button here at the top for a new dashboard. And then from here, we can give the dashboard a name. So we can say Opportunity Dashboard by region, for example. If you want, you can also provide a further description, and you can choose the sharing settings, whether this dashboard is just for you or it's shared with everybody. Then you can click Save, and here is our dashboard, but there's no cards, which are the charts, on it just yet. So from here, we can create a new card with this blue button. You'll notice that we get you jump-started with a template, so we can start fresh by just simply hovering over the X and Y axis and clicking the X to remove them. And same with the filters. We can just go ahead and clear those out. And then just pay close attention to the data source that's here in the upper left-hand corner. There's a few different options, but right now we're focused on opportunities, so we'll keep it on opportunities. And then you have a full list of available chart options on the right. So for now, we can keep it simple with a bar chart. On the left-hand side, you have all of your non-numerical fields in orange under categories, and then you have your numerical fields in blue under value. So it's just a matter of plugging the information you need right into the X and Y axis, and then also adding filters as needed. So what we want to see is the total dollar amount per responsible user. So on the X axis, we'll want to drag and drop responsible user from the left-hand side. So you can scroll down to find the field that you're looking for, or you can just type it in the search bar. So from here, we can just drag and drop it right into the X axis. Now for the Y, we want to see the opportunity value. So we'll just go ahead and drag and drop opportunity value into the Y. Now we can see that we haven't applied any filters just yet to narrow this down by region and also narrow it down by dollar amount. So what we can do is start plugging in our fields into the filters box that's here at the top. So we can go in here and look for region, drag and drop region right into the filter area. Is this the correct one?
Yes.
Okay. And then Americas, for example. And then we can also filter by opportunity value. So from here, we can say we want the opportunity value to be greater than $10,000. And then apply. All right, so once you have the filters that you need as well as your X and Y axis, another option you have is sorting the X axis in ascending or descending order. So what we can do is drag and drop opportunity value right into the sorting box. And then from here, we can say we'd like to look at it by descending order and then apply. So now the reps with the highest dollar amounts will be here on the left-hand side. So now that we have the card that we need, we can visit the top and give it a title. So we can say Americas region, opportunities over 10K. And then here at the bottom, we can also include a description as needed. We can click the red Save button here in the upper right-hand corner. And now we have added this card to our dashboard. So there's a couple ways that we can look at this dashboard and card. One is through the dashboard section. So if we visit Opportunity Dashboard by Region, here it is. Another option is to place this dashboard right on the home screen. So if we go to the home button, we can toggle from recent activity to our opportunity dashboard by region. We have 3 sizes available. So if you click this wrench icon, we're on the largest side. We have a medium size card, and then we also have the smallest one, which is more of a summary. Another option you have is to clone cards. So if you're creating a very similar card that's nearly identical, but it's for a different region, we can click the wrench icon and clone the card to begin working on a new one. And then if you give this a new title, such as a different region, once we change the title, we can check this box to be taken to the new card right after it's saved. So the card we just created will show all opportunities regardless of their state. However, you can look at only open opportunities. So if we click the wrench icon, we can go back in and edit this card. And we can add a new filter for opportunity state. So we can drag and drop current state right into the filter area and say current state equal to open. Apply. Now if we just want to see the top reps, we can go into this area where it says limit number of rows shown and say the top 10, for example. And it will omit the others. You can take it a step further by going into the summary number here at the top, which is the total dollar amount. If we click edit, we can now select show options to change the type from default to currency and apply it so that this will attach a dollar sign. So really, this is open American region opportunities over 10K, and perhaps in the description we can say top 10 sales reps, and then save.